y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I'm sharing with you a Dollar Tree shop with me and a Walmart grocery haul. I went shopping in the Dollar Tree the other day and I just could not help myself. I was not gonna film in there, but they had so many fall and Halloween goodies, including sweets and snacks and all that good stuff I like to share as well. So I'm gonna take you in there and share that at the beginning of the video, and then I'm gonna take you shopping in Walmart, show you all the new pumpkin stuff, fall flavored foods, and then I'll show you my haul at the end. So stay tuned for that, and let's get this video started, baby. So after going to Dollar Tree, Alex and I are going through all the fall decor. We're getting rid of so much because last year I didn't use but like a third of what I have. I bought these like 3 years ago and I've still never used them. I just highly recommend and always investing in nicer pieces like this versus cheap pieces like this. I mean, I'm obviously never going to use this. There's no telling how many years ago I bought this from the Dollar Tree. And that's not all. Like, we have way more boxes and stuff out here that we need to just go through and get rid of all the cheap crap that I've bought over the years. And then Aubrey is with a friend this weekend and I decided to keep this and prank her with it. Look at my donate box so far. Alex is helping me go through it. I am so proud. That's a huge box of stuff I'm getting rid of. And I've already started another one over here. So before my grocery haul, I do want to thank Harry's for sponsoring today's video. So I have ordered from Harry's before. Talk about fair price razors with premium blades. They give a very smooth, comfortable, close shave, which I love, because if you're a woman, you know, shaving them legs is not our idea of fun, okay? So the last time I used Harry's, they did not have the two-tone handle design like they do now. I believe last time it was just solid colors. I could be wrong, but this time I got orange because fall's coming up. So I was like, I gotta get orange. Hello, pumpkin orange. But the colors to choose from are Ocean, Sage, Ember, and Chrome. They have also improved their handle by adding extra grips, and the grooves are so nice. 50% of the plastic in their handle is recycled. And honestly, the best part, because for me, you guys know that I'm very budget friendly. I like to shop at Walmart. I like to shop at Target, which they both carry Harry's as well. The razors are very affordable, but for a fair price. You're getting great quality and you're not having to spend a ton of money. The foaming shave gel that comes in the starter set also is very good for sensitive skin. It has those skin loving ingredients like aloe and hyaluronic acid. In your starter set, you'll get a 5-blade razor, weighted handle, a blade cover, and their foaming shave gel. And to make it even better, they are charitable. They give 1% of global sales to nonprofit organizations. They have a 100% quality guarantee and a 100% money back guarantee, and you cannot beat that. So if you want to try out Harry's for yourself, you can redeem your starter set for just $3 by going to my link, harrys.com/Carla Mackenzie. I will leave all the information down below in the description box, but definitely try it out for only $3. You can't go wrong. So the doorbell just rang and I just got a really cool PR package. I got the new pumpkin spice Twinkies, which are supposed to be in stores in September and October, and the iced pumpkin cupcakes, both limited edition, of course. And then also in the box were the scary cakes, also limited edition, and then the spooky Twinkies. And I'm interested to try this one just because it's chocolate. Very interesting. And then they had these last year. I remember them, and they're limited edition. They sent the caramel crunch mini donuts. Yum. Also, I want to show y'all this that I just got in the mail too. Alex tried it first. It's the limited edition Cena Fuego Toast Crunch. Fuego, I don't know. I'm probably not saying that right. But Alex was spot on. It smells and tastes just like Big Red. What do you think?
Yes, it does.
So, he's the one that called that out, but it definitely does. This is a Walmart online exclusive only order. So if you want to get it, I'll link it down below. But it's a limited edition, so grab it while you can, especially if you love Big Red. All right, so we are about to head to the grocery store. Haven't been to Walmart in a while and to see what was new. They have been so slow this year putting everything out as far as fall and stuff goes. I think it's just like supply and demand and all the shortages over the years. Waiting on Alex to get ready and we're gonna head out. So let's see what we can find. Look, even Walmart sells the Harry's brand. They have body wash here as well. Look, they have limited edition pumpkin spice premier protein. Okay, these are $6.96. These are new Power Crunch protein bars. Peanut butter fudge, salted caramel, French vanilla cream, birthday cake, strawberry cream. I was hoping they had some new fall cups I could look at. That one's cute. And then they have fall sweet fall, give thanks, pumpkin spice, and everything nice. Love these. Look, they have little costumes or hoodies, sweaters for your pets. Piper would have a fit. We've tried this before. She will not. Oh my gosh, the sombrero. That is the cutest thing I've ever seen. And they also have a pumpkin spice trio for your dogs. Apple cinnamon flavored dog treats. Wow. They're even starting to come out with treats for the animals that are flavored with pumpkin spice and Halloween and all of the things. And check out the cowgirl hat and the cowboy hat down here. How freaking cute. They have some Halloween toys. Of course, I love the candy corn, because that's me. Check this out, candy corn hat. These are pepperoni trick-or-treat pack. Are these what you would have like on your front porch? if someone brings their dog trick-or-treating with them. These are pumpkin spice dog biscuits. Oh my gosh, y'all. They have these dog snacks with some bone marrow. Ooh, what is that? Is that really what they have in these dog snacks? We don't have dogs, I don't know. Spooky biscuits, y'all, come on. They have the Temptations treats for their tricks. I cannot. And then they even have creepy catnip. Some Good Pup Club Happy Fall bandanas. Oh, they have some bigger ones for bigger dogs, of course. For $5.97. They also have the pumpkin spice rolls, and I've never had these before, but let me know, do you like them? They have the Pumpkin Delights cookies, and then they also have the brownie pumpkins. I've showed all of these before. I showed these in Sam's Club. The chili cheese, you know, I've heard it's really good. I've never tried that one, but in case you haven't seen these yet. Y'all, this is crazy. They have like no milk. What is going on with the milk? My Walmart finally has the pumpkin spice Oreos. They have not. I mean, I don't know what's going on, but they just haven't had them. Seems to me like everything is like super late this year. Or we could say right on time, because it's not even fall yet really, but y'all know, normally they come out with this stuff like way ahead of time. I also found this Fruity Sparkles syrup, but there's also a candy corn one out there as well, so be on the lookout for that. So my Walmart hardly has anything, but they do have these pumpkin muffins. I don't know if these are new, but let me know if you've tried them. They look delicious. And then I had no idea this Little Debbie ice cream was even on the shelves at all or coming out, but here we are. Alex found it. Good job, babe. Okay, y'all, this is my Walmart haul. Do not laugh at my potatoes, but there's a huge potato shortage. So your girl had to get the potatoes while the potatoes were good, and then I got some medicine too, so there's no telling what the Walmart grocery workers think of me. But I got some Southern hash browns, some hash browns with onions and peppers, and then some shredded hash browns. I'm gonna be putting all the fries and potatoes in my freezer except for the canned ones. And then I always order a 4-pack of this. It's 4 12.5 ounce cans of canned chicken. This can be used to make chicken salad or pretty much anything, but honestly, I like to keep it as just an item to have on hand for emergencies. So it's only $9.98, the best price you can find right now in my opinion. Hazelnut spread, I always get the Great Value brand. They had the Great Value brand in this ranch, and they had it in the 4-packs as well. So I went ahead and got 2 packs because I use a ton of that during the holidays and the fall and crock pot meals. And then also I got a ton of medicine because my worst fear is everybody getting sick, you know, during the winter and the cold season coming up. So I just pretty much ordered, you know, a little bit of everything. They probably think I'm a crazy person, but I just wanted to make sure we were good. So got all that. Got iced oatmeal cookies for Alex for a snack. Strawberry fruit and grain cereal bars are for Aubrey for a snack. And these cans are all potatoes. The whole potatoes were a substitute for the Great Value that I ordered, but the rest of them are diced and sliced, and you know, that's not all the potatoes. Also got 2 of these because it's hard to find these around the holidays, and the banana pudding is hard to find too, so if you see it in stores, grab it. This was a substitute. I grabbed the bag of Swedish fish. Well, I ordered the bag of Swedish fish. Unfortunately, they gave me this little thing, which probably has hardly anything in it. Got some brioche buns because they're our favorite, and then I got this pack of yogurt. We mainly just use yogurt to make smoothies. Heavy whipping cream for a recipe. Some berry blend juice for Alex and Aubrey. Stoke cold brew coffee for myself. Chocolate milk for mainly Ansley, but Aubrey likes it too. And then we got some sharp cheddar cheese. I got each of the girls some sliced apples and caramel. I got these caramel bits for a recipe I have coming up. Cannot wait to share that with you guys, but that will be over on Rooster's recipe. Also some jet puffed mini marshmallows, 2 pounds of ground beef, some jalapenos. Y'all know if you follow Rooster's recipe, if you're not following it, you need to, because Alex is over there taking bites out of jalapenos. It's just like crazy, okay? Got some bacon, and here come more potatoes. I got some seasoned potato wedges. Y'all, there's a huge shortage, so I'm just getting them while I can, and I'm gonna stick them all in the freezer. Got some seasoned french fried potatoes, thin cut french fried potatoes, and this was a substitute I only ordered like a regular size bag and they gave me a 5-pound bag. So, I mean, I guess I can't complain. But I gotta hurry up and put these up before my husband gets home because he's gonna be like, what in the heck with the potatoes? And then I got these because I have some videos coming up that I'm going to share some tailgating recipes with you guys on Rooster's Recipe. If you're not subscribed, like I said, please go over there and subscribe. That's where I'm sharing all my recipes now. So I grabbed those, and then I also grabbed these. Even though these are just normal tortilla chips, I just thought they would be cute to have in the video, you know? It's the aesthetics. So that's my little potato and medicine haul for the week. All right, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing all of the new fall stuff out at the Dollar Tree and at Walmart and my grocery haul. Don't forget to check out harrys.com/Carla Mackenzie, and you can get your starter kit for just $3. That's such a great deal. And if you like this video, hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.